What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is the High Yield Investor. Today we're going to start a new series. Um, we're going to call it Options Trading Income Series. If you watched my other video, my Retire on 30K series, um, the premise of that is that I can grow my income to $2,000 per week by investing $30,000 and never adding another penny to it except for the money that it produces itself. And I'll reinvest that for a period of 3 years. And at the end of that 3-year period, I believe that I can have an income of $2,000 per week, which would equate to $104,000 a year, which may not be enough for you to retire on, but it will definitely be enough for me to retire on. And I believe I can do that same strategy by trading options and earning income on selling puts and covered calls. So what I've decided to do is start out, put my $30,000 in and sell some puts on it. And each week, I'll probably do just 1 week long puts. So they'll expire at the end of every week. And I believe we can reinvest that money into itself and grow it to our $2,000 a week income within a 3-year period. So let me show you what we are going to do on the first week. These are the options that I'm putting the 30K in. Riot, we're going to do 3 puts on that. The $13.50 strike price. It pays a premium of $91.02, expiring on 11/28. QBTS, we'll do 2 of those, and that'll pay a premium of $92. APLD, we'll do 2 of those. I'll pay a premium of $102. SoFi, we'll do 1. It'll pay a premium of $55. RKLB, we'll do 1. It'll pay a premium of $82. INQ, we'll do 1. It'll pay a premium of $103 this week. And IREN, we'll pay a premium of $95 this week. We'll have $1,250 in cash left over to go towards puts next week, along with any premiums that we make. You know what? We've already made $622 in premiums. We can add that to the $1,250. We'll hold off to next week. I want to get another put of SoFi, but we don't have quite enough money yet because we only have what, $1,250 and $622 would be $1,800. All right, so maybe we'll get enough premiums next week. So the plan is, should we get assigned these by the end of the week, then we'll turn them around and put them down here, and we'll sell covered calls on them and earn premiums on the covered calls until they get called away. And then we'll turn them back around and sell puts on them again. But these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 that I decided to start with. I have others I'd like to do, but they cost more, so we'll have to earn some money before we can get into some of those. Anyways, we'll see how that goes. So week number 1, we've already made $622 and we just started. So that'll be, today's November the 24th. This is Thanksgiving week, so it's going to be a shorter week this week. But we'll turn around next Monday and see what we've been assigned and if we got to do covered calls or if we do more puts. But if the puts don't get assigned, then we'll turn right around and sell a put for next Friday and see what kind of premium it's paying. But anyways, that's my plan right now. I feel very confident that we'll easily get to $2,000 a week within a 3-year period. So we'll see what's happening. Of course, the market's been down for the last couple of weeks, but today was a very good rain day, so maybe everybody's jitters from the government shutdown to the Fed interest rates and jobless reports and all that stuff. We'll see if everybody's calmed down, if they're ready to make another bull run in the market or if they're going to continue doing red. But we can make money either way. So we'll give you an update every week, just like we do on our other series, to show you where we're at. And I'm very confident we'll make our goal. But anyways, you guys can come back and check and see how we're doing. I'll update you every week, some little short videos. Until next time, this is the High Yield Investor signing off.